Hi everyone, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I typically do beauty videos, but today I thought we'd do something a little different. I have always loved handbags ever since I was a little girl, and I actually got something this week that I thought would be exciting to kind of do an unboxing together. I'm really excited to show you guys what I got, and I'll tell you the reason why I got it and how I plan to use it. So if you would like to learn about that, keep watching. Now let's do the unboxing. So, I actually ordered this from Farfetch, which was my very first time ordering from there. So it came in this nice box and it came really quickly too. Okay. Ta-da! It says Farfetch is who I ordered from. This was actually my very first time ordering from Farfetch. I decided to order through them because they were working with some other YouTubers I follow who had a 15% off discount code, and I love saving money, like who doesn't? So I decided to try it out, and I actually had a really great experience. Ordering was really easy and shipping was really fast. Communication was great too. I think I got my order, I think I ordered it on a Friday, a Thursday or a Friday, and I got it the following Monday. So shipping was super fast. So it came, there is some tissue paper up here and then a Saint Laurent box. So spoiler, it's Saint Laurent. I was kind of surprised because I wasn't sure if I would get like all the typical packaging you would get from the boutique when you're shopping online. Here is the box. You have the Saint Laurent box and then the ribbon. If you haven't seen it before, this is what it looks like. And it's like, their box is this really nice textured feel. I love Saint Laurent boxes. They're so like chic. I love Saint Laurent in general too. Okay, so let's open it. There goes the ribbon. Okay, moment of truth. Okay. Oh, it has the tissue paper and the Saint Laurent sticker. And it's actually nice that they put the sticker, like sometimes they seal it, so it's like, I feel bad ripping the tissue even though you're supposed to, but it's nice that they put it on the side so I can just open it. And we have a dust bag. It's such an experience. Okay. So we have the dust bag here. I like keeping the dust bags so I can store my bags in it whenever I travel or when I'm not using it. And okay, let me turn around. Ta-da! This is the Saint Laurent, I think it's the Uptown pouch or Uptown clutch. I think people call it both, but let me remove this like foamy thingy. Ta-da! Isn't she pretty? So pretty! Okay, here's a closer look at it. So this is the Saint Laurent Uptown pouch or clutch in the grained leather. I think it might be calfskin, I'm not 100% sure, and the gold hardware. It has it's quite flat, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. And it has a magnetic closure, and it's just one large hole inside. But it does say Saint Laurent on there. It says Saint Laurent Paris, and it says made in Italy. So she's so pretty. Story time of like why I decided to get this and why I got it and why this one. I have a bunch of weddings coming up this year for friends and family, and I really wanted to get like a nice clutch to go for all these weddings. and they kind of vary in like seasons and also formality. Some are more formal and some are a bit more casual. So I kind of wanted to have something to be able to take me through all of these. And I was looking at clutches, and to be honest, I was originally debating between this one and the YSL or the Saint Laurent wristlet. I'll put a picture here of which one that is. So I was debating between those two, and I watched a ton of YouTube videos, but in the end I kind of went with this one. I saw both of these in person at a Saint Laurent boutique, and I liked both of them, but I feel like this one just has like a cleaner look to it. I love it. It's so pretty. I don't know what else to say. It's just so pretty. I'm so excited to use it. If you are my friends who are watching, you will see me wearing this to all of the weddings we're going to this year. It's just, and I love the black. I feel like it's super timeless. It'll just go with everything. I'm just so excited. Part of why I also went with this over the wristlet was this one is cheaper than the wristlet. I think this one was $595, I think. I think this one was $595. And then I saved 15% off versus the wristlet was I think $725 or $750. I just didn't want to spend that much on such a special occasion bag. I know like already this is also like spending a lot on a special occasion bag. To be honest, I like looked through everywhere. I looked through Amazon, I looked through, you know, all the department stores and all the different retailers. And like, to be honest, I really tried to find another bag because I didn't really want to spend the money, but there was nothing that really like I loved or sparked that joy in me. It's just take from Marie Kondo. There was nothing that I really wanted, and I just kept coming back to this one, which is why when I heard when these YouTubers got their Farfetch discount code increased from 10 to 15, that kind of made me want to pull the trigger because they're normally 10% off, and also it's always great to save on something that doesn't go on sale often. If you can't already tell, I'm super excited about it and I can't wait to use it. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know and I can definitely do more when I decide to splurge and buy something. But I can also do reviews on my current handbags. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye! She is beauty. She is grace. She is Saint Laurent.